Jumbo everybody, in today's video I have a Young Living Essential Oils haul for you. Before I begin, my Canadian friends, for the next 4 days, Young Living is offering 10% off of their premium starter kit with the Dewdrop diffuser. That's that one back there. 10% off, plus you're going to get $10 back in a product credit to use on anything that you want in the future. So if you're interested and you are in Canada and you want to get this deal, the link is in the description bar below to do so. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the haul. So this is my March Essential Rewards unboxing. So Essential Rewards, it's a rewards program that's open to wholesale members as an option if it's something that you want to take advantage of. I do take advantage of it, and I have a pretty good size order this month. So the first thing is Essential Zymes 4. This is my digestive enzyme. It works incredibly well to help my food digest. I've literally tried every single digestive enzyme out there on the market, and this is the one that works the best for my body. Like I take, it's like a dual cap, so I take 2 caps with my dinner, which is my biggest meal of the day, and after I'm done eating my dinner, I don't feel like overly full. I feel like my digestive system is getting a little bit of help to digest my meal, and I've just felt so good taking these. So Essential Zymes 4, it's pretty much always on my list, as is Life 9. This is a gentle probiotic, but it's really effective. It's got 9 strains of bacteria with 17 billion active cultures. And again, I've tried all the probiotics, hashtag all the probiotics out there on the market. Some of them have been way too high powered for me, and it's like, everybody out. But this particular one has been gentle enough for my system, but super duper effective. They say that most of our immune system is in our gut, and we have to kind of repopulate our gut flora with good beneficial bacteria. So that's why I take Life 9 every day. It works great. So the next thing I got is actually the Seedlings Baby Wipes. I love these as makeup remover. So what I do is I just, in the evening before I wash my face in the shower, I will just rub a wipe all over my face to get my makeup off, and then I can clean my face just like I normally would. Works great. I mean, works great as baby wipes, and actually works as a dryer sheet replacement. So that's a cool idea too. There's 72 wipes in here. They smell amazing. Like they've got lavender in them, and just really good skin nourishing oils and botanicals and stuff. So love the Seedlings Baby Wipes. I get those pretty much every couple of months because I don't need them every month, and they're fantastic. I love them. Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste, really good as a toothpaste, also really good as a deodorant. This is the deodorant I happen to use. I put a little bit on my finger and just rub it on like a lotion would. I am minty fresh all day long. It works really, really good. I know you're gonna think I'm totally insane by using a toothpaste as a deodorant, but it works. It works great too. So if you watched previous videos fairly recently, I talked about how my in-laws have a condo down in Florida now, and so I'm going to need to take toiletries down to just leave down there at the condo so we don't have to, repack and bring things down every single time we go. And so I wanted to check out the Bon Voyage travel pack. That's what this is. I think it's travel collection, whatever. It comes in a nice bag here, zippered bag. It looks plasticky, but I think it's like plastic and mesh. I can't really tell, but it's really nice heavy duty bag, and then inside it comes with literally all the toiletries that you could possibly want. So it has the Morning Start bath and shower gel, it has the lavender shampoo and conditioner in here too, and I'm planning on just bringing these down and literally like leaving them in the shower, which is fantastic. Also has the Genesis hand and body lotion, all travel size items. The Art, what do they call this? Moisturizing cream. I have the Art Gentle Moisturizer, so I'm going to assume that it's probably very similar to that. I love the Gentle Moisturizer, so I'm guessing the moisturizing cream is like the same kind of thing. I don't actually know. Also has a little tiny mini version of the Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste, which is super duper cute. Has the Thieves mouthwash, which works great as a facial toner and as a mouthwash. It has colloidal silver in it, so it like gets rid of all the yuckiness in your mouth. Really nice. Also has some Thieves dental floss in here, as well as, which I find this funny, a toothbrush that has Young Living on it. I don't know. And it has one of those little guards on it, so it keeps your toothbrush clean in your bag. So I thought that was really nice and handy. I wasn't expecting that. And then 2 more things, the Cinnamon Lip Balm and the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. And it all fits in this bag. I just thought it's so cute. So I'm going to throw this entire thing into my my suitcase with all the stuff. I did a Dollar Tree haul where I showed lots of things that I was going to bring down to Florida with us. This is just going to go in that suitcase, and then I can just have all of my toiletries down there ready for me for whenever we end up going down there. We're going to be down there for extended periods of time, like a couple weeks at a time, multiple times a year. So rather than carting things back and forth, I just wanted to have something that I could just leave down there. So with products that have no yuck and things that I'm used to using here at home. So picked that up, thought that was really nice. A few essential oils that I got, and then I'm going to get into the freebies. With Essential Rewards, you get lots of freebie stuff. So these are the non-freebies. These are the things I actually ordered. Thieves. I always have to have my Thieves Essential Oil Blend. Amazing for our immune system, especially this time of year. It's supposed to be spring, and it's like blizzarding behind you right now outside my window. So what is happening? I am so over it and ready for some flowers. But anyway, so got that. I got an Orange Vitality. Orange Vitality is the internal dietary supplement version of orange essential oil. So I got another one of these. We use this in our Ningxia Red. My husband puts it in his smoothies. I put it in water. It's just really nice for flavoring foods, and it's great also for your immune system. So it kind of gets your immune system revved up and raring to go. Two other ones, Abundance. I use this pretty much as a perfume, but I also use it with affirmations and things that I do in like meditation types of situations. So I will use Abundance, just drop in my palm, and I'll just rub it on me everywhere before I do my morning affirmations. So that's just fun. And then Harmony. Now Harmony was a blend that was brand new to me. There is a have a great day every day protocol, I guess, I don't know what else to call it, that uses Harmony, Valor, White Angelica, and Joy. So use these 4 essential oils in a certain sequence in the morning, and it helps you have a great day every day. So especially with kind of trailing off of winter and getting into spring, sometimes we need a little bit of an emotional detox, I guess. It's not the right word, but the best word I can come up with right now. And so this is going to be part of that protocol, and we're doing that with my essential oil family in April. So that'll be super fun to do. So I got a lot of freebies this month in my order. Just by spending a certain amount on Essential Rewards, they just send you free stuff, which is awesome. So a lot of these things I was actually able to take out of my Essential Rewards cart, since I knew I was going to get them for free, and I could get other things this month. So it was a great cost savings for me too. So I'll just start with the freebie oils. These are pretty like cleaning inspired types of oils from all sides. So Citrus Fresh, amazing for putting in the diffuser. It makes your house smell so good. It's like a combination of lots of different citrus oils plus spearmint. So it just smells so good. Whenever I diffuse this, people are like, what is that? It smells so good. And I put this in my diffuser necklace too, and I just wear it around. And I always get compliments on just how fresh and good it smells. So I love Citrus Fresh. Great for cleaning too. You can put some on like a little rag and just do some dusting with it if you want to do that. Again, freshen your house with it. You can sprinkle it onto your filter that's in your vacuum, and then before you vacuum your house, that air that rushes by the vacuum filter will just freshen your air as you're going around vacuuming the house. So lots of different purposes for Citrus Fresh. So I was glad that was included this month, because that was in my order and I didn't have to order it. Lemon Vitality. Lemon Vitality is great for our immune support. This is the internal version of lemon essential oil that Young Living has. It's all the same oil, it's just different packaging. But I like to do this in water in the morning just to help get my system flushed and going. It's great, like I said, with the Orange Vitality. I use this in Ningxia Red too. Really good in smoothies and in marinades as well. I like to put this with chicken with a little bit of sage too, and just like cook it, and it's just so good. It just has this nice lemon flavor to it. So there's lots of different reasons that lemon is included in Young Living's freebies this month, mostly because of your spring cleaning of your internal self rather than just cleaning your house. So love that one. And then the other one here is Hope. Now, what's funny about essential oils is essential oils, the good ones, are not perfume. And so some of them will smell incredibly stinky to us. And for me, That's hope. Isn't that funny? So what I do with this now is I will put some on the bottom of my feet, and then I'll put socks on top, and then I'll put my shoes on, because I really do not like the smell of this at all. And it's funny because it has not too bad like oils in it. It has sweet almond oil, which is a carrier oil, which is helping the oils to mix together and synergize together. Also has melissa, juniper, myrrh, and black spruce. Now individually, I don't mind these essential oils except for melissa. Melissa I don't love the smell of, and that's what I pick up most in this blend. But this blend was formulated by Gary Young, who's an aromatherapist. He's the owner, founder of Young Living. This is supposed to be formulated for, and I don't know how to say this compliantly, for our emotions, to make us feel, to help us, give us hope, to help us feel a little more joyful, to help us have a mood that is a little bit elevated. I can't use the word that I want to use because it's not a compliant word, but it's to help bring out good feeling emotions in us when sometimes we have fairly dark days. I hope you understand what I am saying, and I can't say this word out loud. Please don't put it in the comments, but if you understand, give me a thumbs up. So anyway, hope is a really stinky oil for me, but I feel like my body needs it. So I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be putting it on my feet under socks, so I don't have to smell it, but I'm still getting the benefits of the essential oils that are in this blend in my system. So there we go. So hope, that was one of the freebies this month too, to just kind of get us out of winter and get us excited for spring. And then 3 other things that were included for free. The Thieves Dish Soap. I love this stuff. This got rid of that bright blue yucky dish soap that I used to have on my counters. So now I use the Thieves Dish Soap. Little tip with this, it doesn't have any foaming agents in it. So you need to have a very finely porous sponge to use if you want to have that foaming action. Now, foam doesn't equal clean. It's very mental, and I understand that, but you know, I like to have a little bit of foam when I'm washing my dishes. It's just how I am. So I actually go to the Dollar Tree and I get the, I think it's called Estracel. It's like a dual layered sponge that has a very finely porous bottom part and then a scrubby on the top. Works great with the Thieves Dish Soap. So highly recommend that one. It smells like lemon. It's just so good, and it works really, really good with the Power of Plants. And the last thing, they actually go together. So we've got the Thieves Household Cleaner. Get this in your house, okay? So this is a cleaning concentrate that works incredibly well, and it's so cheap, guys. So cheap, seriously. So this bottle here will create way more than 14, I would say up to 20 cleaning spray bottles like this one that came free in my order, and it will clean your house top to bottom for only about, works out to being about $1.50 per completed cleaner. Here, non-toxic, works incredibly well. Couple of videos floating around Facebook of people who have rubbed raw chicken on their counters and then cleaned it with the Thieves cleaner, and the 3M strips that they use to like see if the surface is clean or not come up as clean. It's crazy, and it works really, really well, and there's no yuck in it. It helps support your immune system with that Thieves blend that's in here rather than taxing your liver. So I was so excited this was included in this month's box for free for me, because I was running low and I didn't need to order it. So fantastic. This stuff is so, so good. It's safe around kids and pets and husbands and all the people, and it smells like Christmas. It smells so good. I love it, and it's cheap. Guys, it's so cheap. You gotta get this in your house. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys, like I said, if you are Canadian and you are interested in getting 10% off of your premium starter kit with 11 oils and the Dewdrop diffuser back behind me here, you can get 10% off for the next 4 days. Plus you're gonna get $10 back in a product credit to use on anything from Young Living's website. Maybe get yourself a Thieves cleaner, just saying. So for the next 4 days, if you're interested in getting that, you'll have my support too. The link is in the description bar below. That link can be used for anybody. You don't have to be Canadian. It's just the deal that is going on in Canada right now. But if you're in the US and you want to get yourself a premium starter kit too, go for it. You will not be disappointed. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Get yourself some oils, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao.